Hi guys, we are cooking in our village. I'm about to grind the pepper now. This is what we use to grind our pepper. This is called granny stone. This is a granny stone. I don't know if you have this in your village. In the southern part of Nigeria, I'm from Delta State, but I live in Benin. This is how we grind our pepper. So I want to slice the onions inside. I want to slice the onions inside the pepper and grind them together. This is my life in the village. I love the African village life. Hey, this granny stone is very easy. It's easier than the one the Igbo pan, but some will say the pounding on is used to them. This one you just blend it, grind it. That's how we live our lives in the village. So this is the village. Expect any noise you hear because this is not a place of our own. People can pass. Sometimes you can use knife to pack it together, or sometimes you can use your hand to pack it together. Add little water to it. Wait, smoothing faster. Hi guys, I'm washing the spoon that will be used to turn the rice and these plates. You can see the soap. This is soda soap, and this is the water. This place is ordinary flour, so you can wash start the ground. Where's the one? I think there is this is our village life. So I have to keep this spoon now. I have to keep this spoon and this plate here. These are where we hang things. Now I have to keep fire. The rice. Never no baby roast. Never no baby roast. We are cooking rice, family. You can see that the rice is boiling. For sure, right? This is the stew we are having. This is the stew that we want to use to cook the rice. We'll be turning it inside, and we have to put the pepper inside too. Hi guys, our rice is ready. Our concoction rice is ready. This is the rice. It's a concoction rice. We cook it with oil. I have to test it. I have to test the rice. In the village, we used to use hand to test the food. Rice is sweet. Now, I have to cover the rice and carry it to the half. This is the rag that we do use. I have to dust it so that. So I'm carrying the rice. The rice now. You can see that there is light. Then we do put the rice. After that, I have to serve for my siblings, for my cousins. I have to take plates. Test a little. It's just the little one I have to test before I will serve rice for my cousin. This is a spoon, but I have to rinse this spoon because this spoon now adds to the rice. Tayo Mona. Mom. This is my brother Tayo. I want to feed Tayo a little. This is our last thing in the house. This sweet. Alright. This means your back. Bye. No. So guys, I'm done cooking the food. I have to do other things. I'm busy. This is my village life. If this is the video you want me to be uploading everything, and a subscriber said she wants to see me going to the farm, all the farm life in the village. Don't worry, keep watching me. Just keep watching. Please watch my ads. Watch my ads to encourage me. That's very so.